Depression is a type of mood disorder in which a person is unable to carry out his or her day-to-day activities properly, and may also go through suicidal feelings and begin to think that it isn't worth to live life. It is also known as major depressive disorder, or clinical depression, which greatly affects a person's way of thinking, feeling, and behavior that can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems. It causes a person to have constant feelings of sadness and loss of interest. All the classes of people, be it adults or children, suffer through the problem of depressive disorder. The people with depressive disorder exhibit problems in carrying out normal day-to-day activities, such as school, work, social activities, relationships with others, etc. Depression is caused due to different reasons, and on the basis of the cause of depression, it has been categorized into various types. Often, people feeling low resort themselves to the use of drugs and alcohol in an attempt to make their pain go away. The extended use of these substances might cause one to become addicted to its use, which results in lowering the self-esteem of the person, and his or her mood may become even lower than usual over the duration of the use of these substances. All of this causes depression. Depression can also be caused due to general medical conditions, if a person is suffering from a mental illness or a physical illness since a long period of time. The depressive disorder highly interferes with the psychology of the brain to a great extent. Therefore, many different types of psychological theories have been formulated which provide evidence-based explanations as to why the people behave, think, and feel in a particular manner. It is crucial that proper diagnosis of the illness is made before moving forward with the treatment of depression. Different types of depressive treatment methods have been formulated for treating different types of depression. Proper diagnosis of depression is carried out through the means of face-to-face interviews, physical exam, medical history, and several lab tests. People often exhibit a wide variety of noticeable problems in normal day-to-day activities, such as school, work, social activities, relationships with others, etc., when suffering from a depressive disorder. Major depressive disorder is regarded as one of the common and the most serious mental conditions, which has been found to affect both the mind and the body. It is the cause for the generation of physical, body, psychological, mind, and social symptoms. Many different types of symptoms are seen within a person suffering from depression, and it is important to understand the fact that the symptoms of depression exhibited by one person might be totally different from another person suffering from depression. Depression interferes greatly with the psychology of the brain to a great extent. The important factors that cause depressive disorder are personality factors, history, and early experiences and interpersonal relationships. Many different types of theories have been devised for understanding the reasons behind depressive behavior. A variety of treatment options are available for treating depression. Depression is a highly treatable condition. However, it is important to note that depression is individual in nature, and so it becomes extremely important for the doctor to figure out an appropriate treatment plan for the patient.